Hey guys, welcome to Nasike's Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you a very simple recipe on how to make baobab milk. If you've ever tasted baobab milk, let me know in the comment section and I will really appreciate. And guys, if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly do. We'll really be grateful, and remember to like, comment and share. The ingredients that I'm going to use are 2 cups of baobab powder or mabuyu, that's how it looks, 1 cup of milk, 3/4 cup of orange juice, and sugar. First, I'm going to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of sugar. Alternatively, you can add as much as you want. Then I mix. Then I'll be adding milk bit by bit as I continue mixing. Adding bit by bit. Make sure that it mixes nicely together. After all my milk is done, I'm going to add some water. You can see the paste is so sticky. And continue mixing until it gives me a smooth paste without lumps. And guys, there are so many benefits of taking baobab milk or baobab juice, because baobab is an antioxidant and it is 3 times stronger compared to citrus fruits like lemon or oranges. So you can imagine taking this drink or juice is very healthy, and also it helps us ladies. It gives us very nice complexion. So I would recommend. And by the way, if you don't know where to get the baobab seeds, you can contact me on my email address. I got you. And you can also make your order. So I've added the lemon juice and continue mixing. I've been mixing for about 2 to 3 minutes, and I believe everything has been incorporated so well. Now I'm going to remove the mixer, and then I pour the baobab milk inside my glass and it's ready to drink. Or alternatively, if you're someone who likes cold, like you like your drink cold, you can put it in the refrigerator for some time and then you take it. But even at room temperature is just fine. You can see the consistency is just perfect. Here it is. And you take it any time of the day, in all seasons. So guys, remember to hit the subscribe button, comment, share. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.